So your hot water heater goes out at random times and it's very difficult to restart, and you're sick and tired of it, but yet you feel like I feel, I still got plenty of years left in this unit. What's going on? Well, I think I found a solution. Apparently this little switch is a door switch, and sometimes when it goes out I find that it's tripped. I looked it up on the internet, and apparently the reason it trips is there's no air left for the flame. So why is there no air? Apparently I figured out through research and YouTube videos that there's a filter on the bottom of the hot water heater that could potentially be clogged with dirt. You know, after 6, 7, 8 years, maybe 10, it does fill up with debris, dust, whatever that's in the environment. So I'm hoping for an easy fix, because I've picked up the phone a few times and was about to replace this unit, but for some reason I just never get around to, and I hate to spend the extra money if I don't have to. So I've been in here before looking at parts, and I changed out a few parts, and to no avail, still had the same issues. Now taking a look at this burner, I see debris right away right on top, and this is probably showering down over the years on top of the filter on the bottom, and hopefully a good vacuum will solve my problem. So not only do I want to vacuum this, I take a little brush and I scrub the top to agitate the dirt and dust, and I tap it quite a few times to shake things up, so that when I get in there with the vacuum, hopefully it takes out a lot of debris. And apparently there's plenty of debris in here. Is it enough to cause my issue? Well, we'll see. Some people use compressed air for this. I'm hoping my vacuum cleaner could do the job, a big shop vac. After a good vacuum and a couple of bangs to agitate the debris, I'm ready to put this burner back in and see what happens. Now I wouldn't be able to tell long term if this is the fix, because this light could stay on a couple of weeks, could stay on a few days, but one of the first tests I'm looking forward to is to see if I could light it quickly without the 20 or 30 strikes of the igniter, which it usually takes. Now on the second strike of the igniter, I get the pilot light lit, and that's pretty rare. I'm pretty surprised. Maybe it lit so fast because there was fresh air in there, because this was just opened. But hopefully the screen passes a little bit more air, and hopefully that solves the problem. Now that the flame is fully lit, it's looking good. I don't know, it looks to me like it's probably burning a little bit brighter. If it was starving of air, I guess the flame would be a little bit dimmer and be working harder, less efficient. So I will update in this video to see how long this stays lit and if this solved my problem. If you got any questions, if you could tell me in the comments how old this hot water heater is by reading the label in the beginning of the video, let me know. I will appreciate it. This way I can get an idea of its lifespan. I'm thinking it's 9 to 10 years old.